Hello guys and welcome to this video. Today's video will be about SiteGround. So SiteGround is a fantastic web hosting company that offers reliable services and user-friendly features. Whether you are new to website hosting or have an experience, SiteGround makes it easy to get your website up and running. Here I will show you how to use it and everything else. So the first step is sign up. To sign up, you need to see plans and choose subscriptions. So those are the plans. So this website is recommended by WooCommerce, WordPress, WP Beginner. So we have the Grow Big plan, the best value for $6.69 per month, unlimited website, 20 gigabyte web space, and other features. Here we have the startup for you will get one website and the Go Geek unlimited websites also. So we have the site tools for WordPress webmasters trusted by clients and industry experts ready to get started. Click on get started. Now step 1 of getting started is choosing a plan. So let's choose the startup, register new domain, or if you already have a domain. So the domain will vary depending on what you choose. Here we have variety of domains: .com, .net, .org, .biz, .info, .nl. We have .co.in and other .link, graphics, coffee. We have the blog, the online, the shop, and others. So let's just choose something like this. .com, click on proceed, and they will check for availability. Then you have to complete account information. You put the email, password, you confirm the password. Here we have client information, your country, first name, your last name, your company, the tax ID, we have your city, street address, zip code, phone number. So the payment confirmation and information, card number, expiration date, card holder name, the CVV code. So the purchase plan, we set the startup, you can change it here. We have the data center, period, the duration of your plan, 24 months, 12 months, or 1 month. We have hosting price, they will give you an offer. The first month, I think they will be the domain will be free. And we have extra service, domain reservation, domain registration, domain privacy, and site scanner. You can add them and they will add to your bill from almost $80 to $129. So after confirming and agreeing to everything, you click on pay now, and then your account is created and your website is ready to go. So I can't do this right now, but I will help you, giving you some tips and other. So SiteGround is famous by 5 steps. Not by 5 steps, but it's 5 ways of treating customers. So the first one is performance and reliability. SiteGround boasts excellent performance and reliability. During my time using the service, I experienced minimal downtime and fast loading speeds for websites. They utilize cutting edge technology and have multiple data centers strategical located worldwide, which contribute to their impressive uptime and overall performance. The second is customer support, and SiteGround offers exceptional customer support. Their support team is available 24/7 through live chat, phone, and check-in system. Whenever I had a question or encountered an issue, their knowledge and friendly support agents were quick to assist and improve helpful solution. Their proactive approach to customer support set them apart from many other hosting providers. So the third is user-friendly interface. Like we see, SiteGround provides a user-friendly interface and the custom control panel that's easy to navigate, whether you are a beginner or an expert user. Managing your hosting account and website is straightforward. They also offers a one-click installer for popular applications like WordPress, making it easy for even beginners to create and manage their website. And the fourth is security features. SiteGround, like we agreed while paying the plan, the thing that I didn't, we have security features that you can add to your website. SiteGround prioritize website securities and offer various features to protect your website. And their security measures include free SSL certificate, daily backups, advanced firewalls, and proactive server monitoring. Additionally, they provide an in-house developed AI system called Proactive Defense that identify and neutralize emerging security threats. The last is scalability and flexibility. SiteGround offers hosting plans that cater to different needs, ranging from shared hostings for small websites and dedicated servers for high traffic sites. Their plans are scalable, allowing to upgrade or downgrade as your website grows or requires more resource. They also provide additional services such as cloud hosting and WordPress specific hosting options. So overall, I highly recommend SiteGround for individuals and businesses seeking reliable, high-performance hosting with top-notch customer support. Their commitment to deliver a quality business experience combined with their advanced feature and user-friendly interface make them an excellent choice for hosting websites. But the thing that you will have to pay before accessing to the website before trying is something new. But you will have a 30 days money back guarantee and free email, SSL, CDN, and backups for security. Top rated 24/7 support. So I think it's worth the shot. So that's it for this video. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like and subscribe.